We are very pleased to announce that Mr. Armaneski Bernard, the political secretary of American US Embassy in Bangladesh, is here. I request him to be seated in front of the sofa, and Mr. Kandul, the representative of US Embassy, to be seated this side. Please sit here. I'm getting the seat. I'm getting the seat. মসজিদ দুইটা সোফা নিয়ে আসো, মসজিদ দুইটা সোফা এই পাশে নিয়ে আসো, দুইটা সোফা এই পাশে নিয়ে আসো। He is Harvaneski Bernard, the Counselor of Political and Human Rights of US Embassy. We welcome him to this program. This is an auspicious program of Officers Club Dhaka, and I request